Okay, I'm just taking my time around this little TV and the brackets and stuff. And another thing, if you're afraid that your cut-in isn't close enough to start with, as you got your paintbrush here, just wiggle your paintbrush a little bit until you get it exactly where you want. Okay. See, I don't want my tip to have too much paint built up on it. That's why with the throwaway paintbrush, there's not that many bristles here, so you don't have as much paint on there, and you might like it. You might like using your 2-inch. See, now I can go back like that and do it again. If I have to, go up, go back down. If I'm questioning where to end, because the paint color is about the same, I'm just going to wiggle that, and I'm going to go down a little lower. In fact, I think I have to go down lower. I'm just remembering from here, I went up to about there. Okay. And then I go back, and that's all blended in. Can you see? Can you see that? I mean, just because I'm not a professional painter doesn't mean I can't get professional results, right? You can do the same. Very simple. When you have the techniques, you know what type of stuff to use, and know what to do and what not to do, and all that kind of stuff. Just because you're a beginner painter, you don't have to be an intermediate painter or advanced painter to learn from these different videos. You can never have painted before. Use your 2-inch cut-in paintbrush, or 2.5 or 3-inch, and just do a room, and the more you do, the better you'll get. That's just how it works. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.